In this video, you will learn how to install the Lorex Connect V-Series 4K turret camera with color smart security lighting and the Lorex Connect V-Series NVR. These products are only compatible with the Lorex Connect app. This camera is available in black or white. What's in the box? An NVR, mouse, power adapter, HDMI cable, and a network cable, as well as a turret camera, RJ45 weather-resistant cable gland, mounting template, 3 mounting anchors, and 3 mounting screws. It is recommended to connect the cameras to the NVR first before mounting them. To begin, connect the NVR to your router with the network cable. Connect a monitor to the NVR by using the included HDMI cable and USB mouse. Plug in the power adapter, connect it to the NVR. Turn the power switch on the NVR to on. You will see a light turn on. Refer to the monitor and follow the on-screen steps to complete the Lorex setup wizard. Download the Lorex Connect app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, create a new account or log in with your existing Lorex Connect account. Ensure your phone is on the same network as the router in NVR. Tap Add Device and select Recorder. Then follow the in-app steps to complete the setup. Enter the password for your NVR. Once you've added your recorder in the app and can see the added camera, you're ready to mount the camera in the desired location. Decide what you want to monitor and pick a spot that gives you the widest, clearest view. For best performance, mount the camera at about 10 feet by 3 meters high. Mark and drill the holes using the mounting template. Insert anchors. Drill the mounting bracket using the screws. Feed the cable through and line up the camera with the bracket. If you are running the cable along the wall surface, pass the cable through the cable notch on the mounting base to keep it neatly routed and prevent pinching. Set the angle, then turn the cover until it locks. Connect power and secure the weather-resistant cap. Remove the lens film and adjust the camera for the optimal view. Once your camera is installed, use the Lorex Connect app to set motion detection. Create motion detection zones by dragging your fingers on the phone screen, enable deterrence lighting, and control smart security lighting. For more information, scan the QR code on the package or check the product support page by visiting lorex.com/help.